Hi, welcome to our cottage. I thought I'd just give you a few instructions on how to use the TVs that we've made available to you. Now, both TVs are actually Sony TVs, so there are two remote controls, but actually both the same. Now, this can cause a bit of confusion because obviously when you switch the one TV on, the other TV goes on at the same time. So the first thing I'd suggest is that when you look at the TVs in the kitchen, if that's the one that you're wanting to use, so you're listening to the radio or something, quite often we leave them physically switched off. So if you're going to want to use this, you might have to come to it and switch it on. So the way that I suggest that you're going to do this is you're going to reach to the top of the screen and you'll feel the very far right hand button. You press it once to switch the TV on. You'll see that it flashes green, and after a second or two, yes, it's warmed up, it'll boot up. So the previous person's been listening to the radio on this occasion. So as you can see then, if you want to use the remote control, you just switch it with the green button towards the top to switch it off. Now, as I say, most of the time we find that people leave this TV switched off because it can be quite irritating if you want both of them on at the same time. Now, the TV that we also provide is, we kind of try to make it a bit multifunctional. So it's both for the bedroom, and we've put it on this arm affair, so you can actually pull it out and then sort of watch it from the main room as well. So to switch it on, this time I'm going to now point at, I kind of tend to do it quite closely, green button, press it on, and after a second or two, it should boot up. Now in this instance, it's actually already loaded the Netflix box. If you did want to watch the terrestrial TV using the button on the top left-hand corner, you press it once and change it, make sure that it's on the TV, and hopefully as a second you've now got CBBC playing as you would do normally. So if you want to select it again, press the inputs and then use the cursor keys down to select that second HDMI input, and you've then got the Amazon Prime Fire Stick, which is controlled by this controller here. So you can move around, select all of the channels as you would do normally, and included in our offering to you is the Netflix. You click on Netflix, it's preloaded with our personal Wi-Fi codes, or sorry, not Wi-Fi codes, our personal account. So once it's loaded, the option we prefer that you use is the Elephant Cottages one. So you can see as I move the cursor across, it's the Elephant Cottage one with a picture of the baby. So you click that, and as you can see, you've then got Netflix loaded. For what it's worth, when you press the home button, it takes you back to the Amazon thing. We've also included our Prime Video connection, so you can use all the free videos there. We would appreciate if you do purchase a movie that you leave us some cash for it, because that goes again through our personal account. I hope you've enjoyed that, and see you soon.